Here comes the sun, noo. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's all right. Do. Little darling.
Hey, honey.
Yeah?
We got a call. They say it's from the White House.
Really? Put him through.
All right.
Caller, you're on the air. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO.
Yes, is this NANABOOZHOO?
That's right. Who's speaking?
This is President Donald J. Trump.
Oh, hey, how's it going, Donald? I hear you're coming to town real soon, tomorrow.
That's right. I'm coming to Bemidji. We're going to have a great big rally. It's going to be tremendous.
All right. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. You're like the most famous person who ever came to our town.
Is that right?
Yeah, I mean, Cheap Trick played here once, back in the 80s. And I think that guy the actor from Leave It to Beaver, he was on the, homecoming, guy, the Thing of Honor. But yeah, so, what can I do for you, sir?
Well, I was preparing my speech, and I wanted to say something in OJIBWE, because I know there's going to be a lot of Anishinaabe people there.
Wow, you know the term Anishinaabe, huh?
Oh yes, I've been doing a little studying. So will you help me, NANABOOZHOO?
Yeah, sure. What would you like to know?
How can I say, hello, Bemidji. I'm happy to be here today in OJIBWE.
Well, you would say, BOOZHOO, Bemidji ga mug.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to write this down. BOOZHOO, Bemidji ga mug. Tremendous. And then what would I say?
And then to say, I'm happy, you would say, Nieman Waindum.
Nieman Waindum. Tremendous. And then what would I say?
And then you can say, Nieman Waindum G-A-I-N.
G-A-I-N.
Oma. Noon Goom.
Noon Goom. All right, let me see if I have this right. BOOZHOO, Bemidji ga mug. Nieman Waindum G-A-I-N. Oma Noon Goom. Was that right?
Yeah, that was pretty good, Mr. President. Maybe you should try it without sounding so, diabolical.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is just my regular speaking voice, and it's tremendous. That's what they're telling me. I don't know if it's true. That's just what I heard.
Okay. Well, anything else I can do for you today, sir?
No, I guess I'll see you in Bemidji ga mug tomorrow.
All right. Well, hey, Gigawabamin, Minowa.
What?
Oh, sorry. I said, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa.
Tremendous. Gigawabamin, Minowa.
All right. Well, there you have it, folks. President Donald J. Trump. He's coming to Bemidji ga mug. Hold on to your hats. It's gonna get crazy around here. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh, wow, the Donald calls in. Here comes the dawn, da-da-da-da. Here comes the dawn, and I say, it's all right. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. and I wanted a piece of blueberry pie. So I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Minabushki, Minasagani, Batusi, Chikani, Bakwajigan. 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 And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy. He only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say, oh, yeah. Minabushki, Minasagani, Batusi, Chikani, Bakwajigan. Minabushki, Minasagani, Batusi, Chikani, Bakwajigan. Minabushki, Minasagani, Batusi, Chikani, Bakwajigan. Blueberry pie.